Hi guys, here we are at Home Goods. Let's take a look at their baskets, guys. Okay, look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. All right, so this one is $29.99, guys. And then this one here, let's see, $16.99. Yeah, $16.99 for that one. Then you have this one here. Let's see, $16.99. And I don't see a price on these organizational baskets. This one here, guys, is $19.99. So like, look at this big one here, $24.99. Look at the size of that. And I'm loving this color. Oh my goodness, this hand woven one. It is $29.99. Look at it. Then this one I think is bigger. Let's see. $24.99 is this one. No, maybe they're the same size. Okay, and then this one here, this is made in Indonesia, $16.99. So the bigger one is $24. Let me back up so you can see the size. Then this one here is $9.99. I like that. Look at this one. This is UGG. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's gorgeous. See it? This is UGG. And that is $59.99 for those baskets right there. Then you have another one of those and a brass. This brass shelf here for the shoes is $39.99. This is $14.99. You see that? Then this wire one right here, guys, this is $16.99. Then this one is $12.99. And this here, guys, isn't that pretty? This one here is $14.99. That's a nice size. So these are $12.99. So I think the other ones over there are $12.99. So this one here, it's on the smaller side. That's $9.99. And look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? $14.99. I love that. And this basket right here, guys, is $14.99. And then look at this one. Oh my goodness, I missed this one. What? $19.99. Look at that detail. I love that. This is the UGG one. Look at that. That's beautiful. Then you have these. Let me see how much these are. These collapsible. $6.99 for that one. And then this cute one right here in colors, $16.99. Yeah, we're doing the pink now. Let's see. So this is $16.99, and it's like a 3 compartment. And then this one here, guys, I don't see a price. That's very pretty color. So you got 2 of those. And then you have a set here. No, each one. This is $5.99. So each one of them, the bigger they get. So you get 2 storage baskets. So you get 2 for $9.99. And then this 3-pack is $9.99. And then look at this. This is just plastic. These are just plastic. So look at these, guys. I'm loving these. These are $19.99. I love these baskets. And then the bigger one is $24.99. Look at that. So let's see. So this storage container is $14.99. This is gorgeous, guys. Look at that one. So this here is $29.99. And look at the detail. I think we saw this last time I was here. That one is that $89.99? $69.99. And then this here, look how beautiful that is. I don't think I saw this. This is $5.99 melamine. It's made in Italy. Look at that platter. That's absolutely gorgeous, guys. And look at this piece right here. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my goodness, let me see. That's $24.99 for that piece right there. Then this one here, this bowl. Okay, that's $29.99. Then you have this storage little compartment box, $5.99. Then you have this, $9.99. I think that's for the whole set. Absolutely gorgeous. And then look at this one. So this one is Tommy Bahama, and that is $29.99. I would hang that on my wall, guys. I would. Then here, look at this tray. So this tray here, guys, is $19.99, and this over here, this is paper mache, $16.99. Is that made in India? Nicole Miller. Guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. Then this vase here, I don't dare lift it up, but look at this candle holder, guys. I love that. $16.99. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at that one. That's so unusual. And then, you know, look at my iridescent. Oh my goodness, this iridescent. I like this, guys. It's $12.99. And here's the cover. I love that. Then look at these black. I love this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can get a price on the bottom. $39.99 for these. Is that not gorgeous, guys? Look at that. That one over there says Friends. This is a pot, $14.99. And then look at the bird, handcrafted in India, $14.99. And then this rock here is $12.99. And look, they have the sand. I don't wanna move it because it's too far back. So the smaller one of the two, let me see, is $24.99. I like that. And then here, well, this is chipped, was reduced to $17. And then look at that one. I'm absolutely loving this set, guys. Look at it. You gotta look at it. It's gorgeous. Then on this side over here, okay. So this is $16.99. I don't know if I can lift that one. This one here, I think it's a vase. Looks like a shell. It's $24.99. Then you have this one in Thailand, $24.99. Here it is much closer. And this one here, Cynthia Rowley. This is Thailand, $16.99. And then you have this. These are too heavy, guys, but this says it's $19.99. And then look at these. This big pot here was reduced to $69. Wow, guys. And then this is handcrafted. This is $24.99. And I don't know. Then look, my favorite candle holder lantern, $16.99. And then here's another one of those black ones. I like that. Then you got those two bird paintings, and I'm loving this. This is gorgeous. And look at this, guys. Look at this. This is $16.99. How much is this fish thing, guys? I don't even know. I just want you to look at it. Look at that detail. So this bottom one is $24.99. Here's another one of these lanterns, guys. Gorgeous. And that vase. Then you have those two matching vases over here, Tahari. But I don't think I can lift that. And look at that. That is beautiful. So this here is $14.99. And then this one here, guys, it's $12.99. And they have these. Look how pretty that is. $19.99. Guys, oh my God. Let's see. Nicole Miller, $69.99. Look at that. So I'm loving this table, and it has wheels. This is solid wood. $249.99. You see the detail of that, guys? Let me see how much these chairs are. This is Nordica, $149.99, and they have two. And then those chairs back there are $59.99 each. Wow. Isn't this leaf absolutely stunning? I love this. This is $24.99. And then look at this. This is $59.99. Oh my goodness. And look at that bag. That little lion we saw the last time I was here, $7. Then they have that clock, and this tray here is gorgeous. That was reduced to $35. That was only a $4 reduction. Then you have this picture and this decor. Here's this sand. I like this, $12.99. But you got to be careful because the glass looks thin. And this globe here is made in India, $12.99. Marc Jacobs. Look at this. This wasn't here last time I came in. Oh my God, that's $16.99. And then this wasn't here either. Isn't that cute? I don't dare lift that, guys. Then this humongous tray here is $29.99, guys. And then here is the little storage box, jewelry box, and here's the matching frame. They have another one of those there. And then look at this. And look at that one. So look at that humongous lantern, guys. That's $59.99. And this big tray here, let's see. I don't know, guys. This is $24.99. So those trays, those big platters are $24.99. And then this wire basket here is $19.99. So then you have the birdhouse for $16.99, and they have some more of those platters. And here's the whale fin, $16.99, guys. So guys, look, they have this globe. I like this color. This is very pretty. This is $16.99. Then they have that wall shelf, and look at this fish. Then this here was reduced to $135. Then they have that one, and that one is $19.99 for that one. Okay, then they have some more stuff over here. Here's some planters. Guys, here's another paper mache. Here's some starfish. Chesapeake Bay. This is very pretty, guys. I'm loving that set. So I'm just going to scan that for you guys. Very pretty, guys. Look at this humongous one here, and I'm loving this tray. So this tray here, $29.99. The detail alone, guys, I love. Then this is just absolutely gorgeous. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods to check out some of their home decor and their storage bins, and I'll see you in the next video.